Now, a bunch of you might be wondering about what to spend your $600 stimulus check on. And I just wanted to do a little showcase here and showed you what I ended up spending mine on. Right here, we've got a 1971 Ford F350 two-wheel drive dually, and this bad boy I just picked up, and I spent $575 to get it. Oh yeah! We're gonna take it for a little spin down the road. I've got to go pick up a new welder from Napa, and I haven't really got any road miles on it. We picked it up the other day from the job site and just loaded it up on the back of the truck. Just drove it around the parking lot a little bit, and that's it. So let's get in it and see how she does going down the road, okay? Alright, so not too bad. First run down the road in the truck. The brakes are pretty soft, and after she got up and running, you could tell that she's missing a bit. We're going to need to do a tune-up on her and everything like that, but I'm pretty happy with the old girl. Got it off an auction here from local rock quarry, Knife River. It was a water truck for them, and they hardly ever drove it. They just had a tank sitting in the back, and they just trailered it all to all the other jobs that they had and everything like that. So actually looks like it used to be a tow truck with these mounts here and how that roll bar there is set up and everything. It's got this original wood deck in it that needs to be replaced. It's pretty nasty and stuff like that. This part of it has got the steel on it. I don't know, I guess steel used to run this far back. I'm not sure. A lot of it's a mystery, okay? I don't have a whole lot of history on this truck. It's got a 360 for the motor on it, which is pretty darn cool. Let's see here, there we go. You can see there, runs great. Got a manual choke, battery's good. Let's see here, we got our battery switch right there. We do have a dual tank setup. This one smells pretty nasty. This one's the one where everyone's been putting the fuel in, I guess. And she starts right up fine. I mean, look at that. Oh man. And this thing just looks so cool inside. I mean, everything's original. I mean, she's a little beat up. You got some cracks in the dash. But original radio, we're missing some knobs and stuff like that. The ceiling here and the visor, they don't look in the best shape. The seat's got a crack in it, but dude, no one's ever touched this thing. It's just a sitting gem. Steering wheel, yeah, we're missing the center of it, but that's okay. But yeah, yes, dude. She is awesome. Let me pitch it down over here so you can hear the exhaust. I'm pretty sure the exhaust comes out over here somewhere. She's a pretty badass truck. And I don't know if I'm more excited about owning the truck or this new welder. So we might have to check that thing out. We've been real busy in the shop here trying to get it straightened up for our next major project that's gonna be coming in. Well, I'm sorry. Lighting needs to adjust just a second. We got all this shelving brought in, and this whole area right around in here cleaned up quite a bit. As you can see, like there was a bunch of stuff on the ground here, and so we got it all up on the shelving there. Also clearing off my tool bench here, getting all the tools into the toolbox. That's pretty nice. I mean, I'm pretty happy. We're looking pretty clean there. It's just, yo, man, getting organized, getting it done right. I'm ecstatic. I mean, this tool set, you guys all heard me say it and everything like that, and I showed you the video. It's pretty badass. Yeah. I mean, and my toolbox now, which was pretty empty, is now extremely full of tools. So I'm really happy. I still got a couple things to put away. My air compressor, or not my air compressor, my impact. Well, I do have a new air compressor over there. We're tooling up like crazy. And then I got to put together a toolbox or a tool bag for us being mobile. Like I've got my old impacts, I've got my old nasty old Craftsman set, piecemeal Pittsburgh set there. That's whatever. They still get the job done, but. And we're getting the lighting here put in. I got a bunch of these lights from Costco because it's pretty dark in here, as you can tell. Anyways, the 71, I'm pumped about. That thing is so badass. I'm pretty sure that I just decided we're gonna call it the stem check, okay? We're gonna, we'll take Stemmy out for a ride. I don't know if that sounds right, maybe not. Anyways, we'll call it stemless. I don't know, whatever. 575 bucks, dude, that's ridiculously cheap. There's a lot of good deals out there still on these freaking bump sides and dent sides, you guys. I mean, you don't need to be paying 5 grand to 10 grand for something. I mean, this thing runs fine. It's got good tires. Goes down the road. It needs a little tune-up, you know. It's got a couple dents here and there, but it's character. I mean, the patina on it's kind of cool. So I'm excited for the new parts runner. We're gonna be moving in we're gonna be bringing in the next project, the big project. I don't know. I'm trying not to give away. I bought an F100, a 77 F100. That's the new project. We're gonna be bringing that into the shop, okay? We're doing a bunch of things. I keep on saying a bunch of things. I bought a lift. I bought a lift for the shop. We got to get that installed. We got the welder. We're tooling up, making sure that we're ready to go. All right, get things done because this is stuff that I've never had before, and I'm just trying to get into place. All right, I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching, checking it out. Go ahead and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. But we'll catch you on the next one. All right.